Monetizing everything online refers to the process of making money from various online activities and resources. There are numerous ways to monetize online content and activities, and the strategies can vary depending on the platform, audience, and type of content you offer. Here are some popular methods of monetizing online content. Advertising. Displaying ads on your website, blog, or social media channels is a common way to generate revenue. You can use Google AdSense or other ad networks to show relevant ads to your audience, and you'll earn money when visitors click on the ads, pay per click, or view them. Cost per impression. Affiliate marketing. Promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link is another popular method. You can join affiliate programs offered by various companies and promote their products. Selling products, services. Creating and selling your products or services online is an effective way to make money. This can include physical products, digital downloads, e-books, courses, software, or offering services, consulting, coaching, freelancing, through platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or other e-commerce platforms. Subscription models. Creating exclusive and valuable content and offering it through subscription-based services can generate a steady stream of income. Sponsored content. Collaborating with brands or companies to create sponsored content on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media can be profitable. Brands pay you to promote their products or services to your audience. Online courses and webinars. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses or conduct webinars where people pay to access your knowledge and insights. Donations and crowdfunding. If you provide free content, you can ask your audience for voluntary donations through platforms like Patreon or set up crowdfunding campaigns to support your work. YouTube and Twitch revenue. For content creators on YouTube or Twitch, ad revenue, sponsorships, and viewer donations can contribute to monetization. Dropshipping. In the e-commerce realm, dropshipping involves selling products without holding inventory. You work with suppliers who handle the fulfillment and shipping directly to the customers. App monetization. If you develop mobile apps or games, you can monetize them through in-app purchases, ads, or subscriptions.